Well, the past week has seen tremendous controversy in West Bengal over the collapse of Sudipto Sen's Sharda Group, accused of duping millions of investors who bought chit funds from the company. Now, gradually, more details are emerging of just how Sharda's chairman kept bluffing investors by some rather innovative methods. Alok Pandey reports.
At the Sharda Group's global automobiles factory in West Bengal's Hooghly district, 150 workers taking turns to go on a hunger strike for the last 2 days. They haven't been paid anything since January this year, and the company's management has not come to the factory for over 2 weeks now. These workers have heard of Sharda's troubles and say they have details on how investors were duped. Sharda took over this two-wheeler assembly factory from another group in 2010. Since then, the factory that once assembled 300 two-wheelers per day produced nothing. Yet, claim workers, for more than 2 years till January this year, they were asked to fake activity to lead investors on who were brought here for inspections.
पूरा लोड बस आदमी लेकर आता था इसके अंदर में, तो इस आने से आधा घंटा पहले हम लोग को खबर दे देता मैनेजमेंट को कि तुम लोग जल्दी से सब रेडी रहो, ठीक है, और जाकर कन्वेयर जहाँ पर बेल्ट है हम लोग का, वहाँ पर कन्वेयर में लाइन में खड़ा हो जाओ कि ऐसा देखा ना कि काम करवा रहा है.
I'm standing at the conveyor belt of Global Automobiles assembly factory here. Now, just to give context to what these workers here are alleging, they are saying that when the investors of Sharda used to be brought here in busloads to inspect the factory, they used to actually stand around here at these bikes and actually pretend that they were working on them, just to reassure the investors that their money was being invested wisely by the Sharda Group. And so, by this pretense, Sharda convinced people to put in more money into ventures like this. Workers say they realized Sharda was hoodwinking investors through this factory, but chose not to speak up as it would threaten their livelihoods. Now these people say their only hope is Mamata Banerjee.
हमारा मांग है, जो कंपनी अभी रेडी कंपनी है, ये कंपनी अगर गवर्नमेंट मिडिल में आकर बैंक से बात करके अगर कंपनी को फिर से रिप्रोडक्शन के ले जाए, तो ये 150 जो फैमिली है, वो फिर से चल सके.
But the road ahead is not easy. Global Automobiles is now in the hands of a clutch of banks that initially lent money for setting up the factory. And so restarting or handing over the factory to someone else may not be possible in the short term. And so, like lakhs of Sharda Group investors, the future of these factory workers behind me also seems very, very bleak. In the Hooghly district of West Bengal, with camera person GT Shankar, Alok Pandey, NDTV.